And it's a weird thing because I wear one contact lens because I'm holding menus at a long distance. And we don't worry about that, do we? You go and get some funky glasses or you get contact lenses, you tell people about it, you get laser eye surgery, there's no big deal. But there is still a negative connotation to getting a hearing aid in later life. It kind of feels like you are going downhill. And it's ludicrous, it's totally, as I say, born out of vanity. And I just wasn't functioning very well. And I thought, this is crazy.